Well, we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Huggy doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing, or in this case, unbagging video. We have something from Army and Outdoors. Feel free to check them out. They ship globally from New Zealand. Army and Outdoors. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And see how we can get this bag open. So I see a manifest. And I just want to get a little edge on this bag right there. Okay. There's a perforation right there. Looks like they could use a little bit more toner in their printer, but Army and Outdoors, there's their kind of logo there. So let's see if I can continue and slice and open it into this bag. Okay, there we go. Take everything out. Alright, so let's start with these cloth items. Lay them out here. Should be 3 different Army Brassards. So these are kind of shoulder sleeve accessories, so it kind of slips over your arm, and this attaches at the top to some sort of attachment on the shoulder. So you can see various ones here. So it looks like we have one from France, French Army, CE Camo Brassard. You can see the woodland camo there. This one will be a Dutch Army DPM Brassard, and this one here is Austrian Army Brassard. So you can see the differences in the attachment methods. So this one's just a simple, slightly elasticized, but mostly just solid cloth there. This one seems to be a lace, and this has some damage to the end, but may actually tuck underneath and not be visible anyways. And this is hook and latch. So 3 different Army Brassards. Let's see what else we got going on here. This is a Czech M95 Mag Pouch, so M95 camo pattern. Kind of the pull tab and over the latch there. You can see the diamond stitching, 2 grommets at the bottom, hook and latch at the sides with covers in case you don't want to use those. Label SPM. You can read that. Text and the care instructions. And 2 compartments fixed in place with divider. So this goes back on that way. Easier if there were contents, and then that just goes into place to lock like that. So Czech M95 Mag Pouch, and last but not least, this is supposed to be a Dutch Army Tracksuit top, large size. Slim bag. Here we can see a label with NSN number. You can see the label of the tracksuit there, and a big stitched on embroidered logo there. Easy to open bag. Ooh, nice material. Kind of that almost satin feel, but not quite. And I can feel some sort of insulation. Thin zipper, metal bottom, metal pull, plasticized teeth. Again, label there. Looks like 1994. NSN number. White interior. Plasticized cuffs. There's how far down that material goes down to there. Collar, hang loop, padded collar. Yeah, there's definitely some insulation in here. So it'd be nice on the cooler temperatures. And again, look at the logo. So again, working our way backwards, we have Dutch Army tracksuit top large. In this case they say 112 centimeter size. Czech M95 Mag Pouch. And then we start off with 3 Brassards. So this would be a French Army CE Camo Brassard, Dutch Army DPM Brassard, Austrian Army Brassard. These all came from Army and Outdoors. They ship worldwide from New Zealand. Feel free to check them out. Large variety of items. Army and Outdoors. This has been another unboxing or unbagging video. Feel free to check out other videos in this series. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics, as well as a series of book review media reviews, and a series called Curious for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.